In this video, we're going to go over conditional formatting in Power BI. So we're going to go and take the tables we created previously. So we're just going to copy the visual, and we go to our new tab and we just click paste. And now we have our table here. And we're going to take the matrix also, and we're going to copy the visual, and we're going to paste in our tab. So we're going to do a couple examples in each, and so we'll start off with the background color, and we'll turn this on for table. And so for product category name, we don't want product category name. So we're going to pick the line total, and we're going to background color on. So we could see we have the colors getting darker to lighter as the total goes up. So if we want to see that a little bit more, I can make the color darker, and you'll see how the color changes as the price changes. And let's go over to our order quantity in our table. So we'll sort it first, and then we'll come over here to order quantity, and we're going to change the font color here. And we can see again our font color is changing. Let's try a different color this time, and we'll use the goldish color. So we'll have a light gold, and then we'll have the dark gold, and we'll click OK. And we can see we have the same thing happening here. So we were able to change our font color and change the background color. And now let's go down to our matrix and change a couple things. So we're going to go into conditional formatting, and here we're going to try the next thing is data bars. So we're going to just select it and have data bars on. And you can see our bars are getting larger according to the total. And let's go into advanced controls, and we can have show the bar only, and that will take away the totals. But if you hover over, we had a tooltip on this chart, you can see the totals. But let's put the totals back on there. Click OK. And so let's turn that off. And let's have let's use icons here. And so now we have red, yellow, and green according to a total, but we don't know how those totals are grouped. So we can go into advanced controls, and we're going to change some of the values here. First, let's change it. We're going to use traffic lights, and then all these are going to be number. And what we have here is millions. So we're going to start with 0 and less than 5 million. And then greater than or equal to 5 million. And then we're going to have less than 10 million. And greater than 10 million. And here we're just going to I have a really big number. And click OK. And now we've changed it to where it's everything greater than 10 million in green and everything between 5 and 10 million yellow. So now we understand what the color coding means. So that was it for icons. And we could have the data bars and the icons too. So you have a lot of options as far as conditionally formatting your columns. And that's it for conditional formatting in Power BI.